Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. How are you my dear subscribers and all my viewers? I hope you all are well and fine. So if you are new here, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell to stay updated with our all latest fashion related content. In this video, we have created a stunning collection of mother of the bride dresses that will make you look and feel your best on this momentous occasion. So join us as we explore the latest trends, style and tips to help you choose the early dresses for your daughter's big day. From classic and timeless design to modern and chic options, we have got you covered. Our fashion expert will guide you through the key factors to consider when selecting your outfit, including color coordination, fabric choices, and the importance of the comfort. Whether you prefer a long flowing gown or a knee-length dresses with delicate details, our fashion showcase includes a variety of options to suit your personal style. You will also find valuable advice on accessorizing, so you can create a complete and harmonious look that complements the wedding theme. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, we understand that every mother wants to shine on this special day while maintaining a sense of elegance and sophistication. We have carefully created a selection of dresses for every body type, ensuring that you will find the perfect fit that flatters your style house. So don't miss out on the opportunity to make a statement and crush beautiful memories with your family. Join us in this fashion journey as we help you discover the perfect of the bride dresses for a day you always treasure. Remember to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest fashion tips and inspiration. Your perfect mother of the bride dresses awaits. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. Thank you very much for watching my video. My beautiful viewers, if you are new here, please subscribe my channel. My beautiful viewers, if you are new here, I will tell you, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion. I will show you my video. So please keep watching this video and share this video with your family and friends. And my beautiful subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. Thank you very much.